Hey guys, this is Hafiz, and today I'm going to show you guys a problem with the Freightliner Cascadia uh, regen issues. So I tried multiple regions when it gave me the check engine light. So I'm down to 5 miles per hour, and I tried to drive, and it's not going above 5 miles per hour. So I'm going to back into the parking lot and see what I can do with this truck. While I'm doing the regen, I'm looking at the codes. As you can see, the same codes like emission system problem, low def quality, and D rate 25%. All those codes that you can see normally on the screen, SPN 3364, FMI2. So all these codes are the regular codes. I tried multiple region, but I'm going to try something different now. So if you have Freightliner, right behind the def tank, there is a def pump which have a filter, and that need to be replaced after every 400,000 miles. And I'm not sure when it was replaced on this truck, so I'm going to change it. UF106 is the part number for this filter. I purchased for $125. It could range up to $125 to $200, and it have a seal, filter, and lid, and you don't need a lot of tools. Once you get under the truck, look behind the def tank. You will find this box. You have 4 bolts. You need to open this box to get access to the def pump. Once you get access to the def pump, open the cover and remove the filter. Please make sure that you're using gloves when you're removing the filter, because the def fuel is always hot if you had that on regen. As you can see, the old filter is very bad and dirty, and it definitely need to be replaced. Have a lot of carbon, and also you can see a sign of water at the bottom of this cap. This is a tube that you can find in a box, and it's a lubricant or a seal, you can say. And whenever you putting a new filter, make sure that you put this around this edge, because the old one is going to be dried out and you cannot use the old cap. The def fuel pump also have a def fuel pump sensor, and have 2 coolant lines on the sides that you can observe them. And sometimes the def pump sensor is bad, and we have to replace that too. And it's so easy to replace, as you can see from here. Time to test the work. And as you can see, there's a leak, and most likely it's because if you over tighten the filters, and the seal actually slides. We have to realign and hand tight the filter to make sure that it's not over tight. And the quick tip is don't close the cover unless you check that the filter have no leaks. Before you drive, make sure that you secure the filter with the cover, because when you're driving, anything can damage the filter. So don't drive without having a cover on it. Alright, so I started the Regen, and as you can see, there's no more checking your lights, and that was my problem. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe, and see you in the next one.